Now, Ranbir Kapoor is a busy man with his upcoming release in November, Rockstar. Now, I caught up with two of the ladies he absolutely adores and admires. Do not let your imaginative horses run wild. Call them back. I spoke to, of course, his ever-gorgeous mum, Neetu Kapoor, and his sister, Ridhima. And, of course, they were gushing and mushing over their son and brother. You take a look at what they have to say. What is this all about?
This is about Notan Das. We've been doing this shoot since 4 years?
4 years.
4 years, and it's very exciting because it's with her, with my daughter, so I really look forward to it.
Tell me, what has changed through the years, and how do you see, young talent coming up? What is the difference between what happened then and what happens now?
I think today people are more aware and they're very prepared, and it's different today. I think we were more natural in our time.
Talking about somebody who knows everything, your stellar son, Ranbir Kapoor. I mean, I think he's looking awesome in Rockstar, wouldn't you think so? Absolutely. What do you think about when you saw the trailer? What did you think?
I just absolutely adored the trailer. And I'm really looking forward to the movie. Really looking forward to it.
Yeah? So are you one of those sisters who would say, सब कुछ चलता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मतलब तू इतना अच्छा लगता है, रणबीर मैं बता नहीं सकती तुझे, or do you give him some tough love as well?
No. She's very critical.
Very mean too. Mean in the sense, very critical of of the appearance of the movie and all of that. But he does a good job end of the day, so I can't be I can't say anything bad because he's so good on the whole.
And what do you think about your husband's look, Rishi Kapoor's look in Agnipath? It is amazing, isn't it?
It's so different. He's never
shocked
done.
everyone.
Yes, it's for the first time he's done something like that. It's totally negative, and I'm really waiting for the movie to release. I want to see the reaction of people and how they're going to react to his look, and it's really different.
And you guys were so well received in the comedy that you did, Doguni Char with Habib Faizal. When do we see you coming back on screen again?
As soon as I get something as nice as Doguni Char, I just don't want to just work in movies, If there's something really nice, I wouldn't mind, but I'm quite happy in my space.
What a delight to chat with you. Thank you very much. And that's all from us. Thank you.